Hello guys, so I've spent a good amount of time working with both Fortinet and SentinelOne, and honestly, it's been interesting seeing how each tackles security from different angles. If you're running a Shopify store or any online business, this stuff matters more than you might think. Your customer data, payment info, and even your admin accounts are all potential targets. These platforms approach protection in very different ways, and that can directly impact how safe and stress-free your day-to-day operations feel. Starting with Fortinet, I was drawn to their FortiDeceptor tool, which is kind of a game changer for spotting potential hackers in your network. It works by setting up multiple fake OS instances and digital lures that look like real systems. If an attacker pokes around, they interact with these decoys instead of your real assets. You get real-time alerts the moment someone tries to probe your systems, which is powerful because it catches threats before real damage happens. It really gives you a sense of proactive security, and for heavily regulated environments or networks, or you need detailed control, think enterprises, financial systems, or complex infrastructures, Fortinet is solid. It's built for teams that want to see everything happening at the network level. That said, I did notice that some things felt a bit rigid. Ease of integration using standard APIs isn't as smooth, and there were moments where support was hit or miss. Sometimes we had to reach out directly to Fortinet because the vendor supplying the product didn't fully understand the setup, which slowed things down overall. For smaller teams or store owners without in-house IT staff, that friction can be frustrating. I'd say Fortinet is great if you want deep control and network-focused security, especially with features like deception tech and hybrid mesh firewall options. But it does expect you to be a little more hands-on and technical. Switching to SentinelOne, my experience was a bit more seamless. Overall, this platform feels very modern and cloud-friendly, which lines up well with how most Shopify businesses already operate. The EDR functionality is precise, and deployment was straightforward. You can get endpoints protected quickly without a long setup phase. I liked how the interface is intuitive and how the system handles endpoint protection, malware detection, and prevention without causing much performance hit on the devices. That's huge when you're working on laptops, fulfillment machines, or remote team devices that need to stay fast. Pricing flexibility and the support team are also on point. You can scale depending on the size of your organization, whether it's just you or a growing remote team, and the vendor response is consistently timely when you need help. One thing I noticed is that generating manual snapshots on client servers can be a bit tedious, but it's a small trade-off for the accuracy of the data you get. Those snapshots are what allow you to roll back, investigate incidents, and understand exactly what happened. SentinelOne feels like a more holistic endpoint protection solution, especially if you care about cloud-native applications, managed detection and response, and mobile threat defense. It fits naturally into a modern workflow where your business lives in browsers, apps, and cloud tools. In short, if I were comparing the two from hands-on experience, I'd say Fortinet excels in network deception and proactive threat hunting, giving you lots of control and visibility across your infrastructure. SentinelOne, on the other hand, shines in endpoint protection, cloud integration, and ease of administration. Both are strong, but it really comes down to whether your priority is deep, network-level security with Fortinet, or a modern all-in-one endpoint solution with SentinelOne that just works in the background. For my day-to-day work, SentinelOne edges out slightly because of its smooth management and accurate protection. It feels like something you can set and trust while focusing on running your business. But I can definitely see why Fortinet is preferred in more regulated or complex network environments where control and visibility are non-negotiable.